Hey there, Roblox fans. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your gaming experience even better. Today, we're diving into how to see purchase history on Roblox 2025. Whether you're a parent keeping an eye on your kids' spending, a player tracking your Robux investments, or just curious about your past purchases, this guide is for you. It's quick, straightforward, and we'll have you sorted in no time. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Roblox account. If you're not already, head over to the Roblox website or open the app on your device. Once you're in, click on the gear icon in the top right corner to access your settings. This is your gateway to all things account related. Now, in the settings menu, look for the Account Info or Billing section. Roblox might tweak this slightly in 2025, but it's usually under a tab like Security and Privacy, or directly labeled as Transactions. Click on that, and you'll see an option for Purchase History. Go ahead and select it. Boom! You'll be greeted with a detailed list of all your past purchases, including dates, items bought, and how much Robux you spent. If you're using the mobile app, the process is similar. Tap on the three lines or your profile icon, navigate to Settings, and find the Purchase History feature. One handy tip. If you don't see it right away, double-check that you're on the latest version of the app, as Roblox updates frequently to improve user experience. Remember, this feature is great for spotting any unauthorized charges or just reflecting on your gaming buys. If you run into any issues, like the history not loading, try clearing your cache or contacting Roblox support through their help center. There you have it, folks. You've now mastered viewing your purchase history on Roblox in 2025. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more gaming guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming. See you in the next video.